Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Burwell Provincial Park, a stunning natural oasis located on the north shore of Lake Erie in Ontario. This beautiful park is a perfect destination for those who love the outdoors and want to experience the tranquility of nature. Port Burwell Provincial Park is known for its diverse landscapes, which include sandy beaches, lush forests, and open fields. The park's beaches are a highlight, offering soft sand and clear waters that are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and beachcombing. The gentle waves of Lake Erie make it a safe and enjoyable place for families to spend a day by the water. In addition to its beaches, the park offers a variety of trails for hiking and biking. These trails wind through the park's scenic landscapes, providing opportunities to explore the area's natural beauty and observe the local wildlife. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, the park's trails offer something for everyone. Port Burwell Provincial Park is also a great place for camping, with several campsites available for those who want to spend a night under the stars. Whether you're here to relax on the beach, explore the trails, or simply enjoy the peace and quiet of nature, Port Burwell Provincial Park offers a wonderful escape from the everyday. Thanks for watching!